Okay, hello everybody out there. My name is Mark Henriksen. Welcome to Garage Math. I am Mr. Henriksen and this is my garage. Today we are going to start distributive property, aka Big Daddy D. Distributive property is by far the most important property of all the math properties. As you all know, there's commutative, 4 plus 2 is 2 plus 4, boring. There's associative, you have to have 3 or more. You just do the grouping things, right? 3 plus 2, parentheses, plus 8. You change the parentheses to the last two numbers and you're gonna get the same answer. So you have commutative, associative, there's an identity property, 5 times 0, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 0 is 5, duh. Okay, so this is gonna be actually 3 parts. This is part 1, okay? So we're gonna keep it basic, then we're gonna throw in some negatives and some variables, and then we're gonna kick it up just a little bit further. So I don't want this to be a 20-minute video, this is gonna be a 5-minute video, and then we're gonna play a game at the end. I have an assistant, she's sitting right there in the garage, and we're gonna play a game, and we're gonna do these mentally. I'm gonna show you how to do them on paper, and some of you like to do mental math games, and I'm gonna challenge you, my mentalness against your mentalness. If mental math's not your jam, don't worry. You can just show it this way, okay? All right, so 7 times 42 distributive property. Let me show you. I'm just gonna walk you through these really quickly. What you do is you take the 42 and you make it 40 plus 2. You just get this to the tens. And the reason why you do that is you can do them in your head easier. Because 7 times 4 is 28 and you just add that 0. So 7 times 40 is 280, okay? And you just put that in one part of your head. And then 7 times 2 is 14. And the reason why is I don't know my 42s, but now I know my 7s. So then we just add these together. Assistant, 280 plus 14, what is that?
294.
294 is correct. Winner, 294. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 3 more on paper, and then we're gonna do this in our head. Okay. And the winner is going to get a cheeseburger. Okay, 3 times 57. So, assistant, how would I break 57 up?
3 times 50 plus 7.
Not bad. You are pretty smart in math. Who knew? Okay, again, 50 plus 7. You always want to have something intense. Now, 3 times 5 is 15. Add that 0. It's a 3. It's 150. Plus 21. I will tell you this only because I've done this forever. A lot of people will whoop, but they'll forget and they'll just bring down that second guy. So you got to multiply them both. 150 plus 21 is 171. Now, mental math is not always my strength. I'm sort of a work it out, draw a picture type of guy. So you are going to have a chance to beat me in the contest. Okay, 4 times 91. 4 times 91. Now, what I need you to do at home is you can try this mentally, but you need to write these down in practice. You can't just watch the show. Okay, all right, 4 times 91, right? We're gonna go 4 times 90 plus 1, and then you all can do 4 times 90. I don't know my 90s. You don't need to know your 90s. You need to know your 9s. 4 times 9 is 36. Add a 0, 360. And then a 4 is 364. Again, no equal signs, triangles. Whoop. Okay. Distributive property. You also get to make that noise if you want. Oh, snap. This bad boy we're going to break up into 3 numbers. Go ahead, assistant. How are we going to break 243?
8 times 200 plus 40 plus 3.
Wow. That's what the kids say. They don't do as much this year. Last year was wow. 3 times. Okay. 8 times 200 is 1600. 8 times 40 is 320. 8 times 3 is 24. Now you need to have 3 compartments in your brain. 1600 plus 320, that's 1920, 1920, 1944. That was a great year. 1944? 1944.
I don't know.
I remember 1944. That was just before the internet. 1944. 1600, 1920, 1944. Okay, you ready for a game? Here's the rules of the game. The rules of the game are simple. My assistant is going to yell out. Now, this has not been, we haven't done this already, like ahead of time. So she's going to yell out a random number, 2 numbers, and I'm going to write them down, and I'm going to do it in my head, and you're going to do it in your head, and we're going to see who can do it the quickest. Okay. Oh, this is live TV, too. This is a lot of pressure.
Exciting.
It is exciting. Okay. Okay. Go.
9 times 63.
9 times 63. 9 times 60 is 540. 9 times 3 is 27.
Should I do your head?
Yeah, you can't. Do you mind?
Oh, sorry.
9 times 60 is 540. 9 times 3 is 27. 540 plus 27. I'm going to say 567.
Yes.
Okay. I would have had it a little quicker, but she didn't quite understand the game.
Well, you were speaking out loud, and they're trying to do it in their head. You're thinking, you're doing your own.
Okay, fair. So I do speak out loud. Ooh, so maybe I shouldn't speak out loud. Or they can mute it.
They gotta do it mentally. You can't talk.
That's fair. But or you can hit mute, and when I write it, you can just do it. And when I write it, you'll see when I write it. Okay, that's a good point. I'll try this one quiet. Okay, you guys ready? We're gonna do 2 more. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, it's mental. You can't do. Oh, if you don't feel like I want to do it mental, you can do it on paper. You can erase me in my mental against your paper. Go ahead.
7 times 94.
658.
Yes.
I'm pretty good, huh? Okay. Hey, good win by the Kings yesterday. Congratulations. And the Broncos. Woo-hoo-hoo, barely. And the Raiders. Okay. All right, you ready? Let's do one more double like this, and then we're going to do a triple. Okay. Go ahead.
4 times 22.
Oh, well, whoa, what is that? But I could just do 88. That wasn't, because 22 is just 44, 88. Okay, but that was good. That was fun. Good. Maybe, did I beat you? Okay, or maybe you beat me. I don't know. All right, give me one more. That's a little bit trickier.
6 times 86.
Ooh, okay. 600, 480. 480. Oh, shoot, 36. 516.
Yes.
Okay, what made that one tricky, and I'm glad you did that one. What made that one tricky is you had to go past 100, which then means you have to split that second number up. Okay, how we doing out there? Has anybody beat me yet? Okay, this is gonna be the last one, and then that's gonna be it, and then I'm gonna film part 2 because we're then we gotta move on to variables. Okay, I'm just gonna scribble it right.
Double one again?
No, this is a single number times a triple. Okay, but don't go like 2 times 101, because then I would just say.
Perfect number.
Okay, I'm not as good as the 3 ones though, because I only really have 2 compartments in my brain. I rarely have 1. Go ahead.
6 times 767.
Oh gosh.
6,
Oh gosh.
7.
6 times 7 is 420. 420. I stink at this. 420. 6 times 6 is 36. That's 456. 456. 498. Yeah. I mean, of course not 4.
Not even close. Smaller than your first 2.
4,200, 4,200, 36, 40, 4,200 plus 36, 4,236, 4,236, 4,236, 36, 4,236. Oh gosh, it's 4,200, whatever 36 plus 40. It's not 4,200?
No.
Okay, well, 6 times 700 is 4,200.
Yeah.
4,200. Oh, 60. 6 times 60 is 360. So that's 4,560. 4,560 plus 6 times 7 is 42. 4,560. 4,560. So that'd be 46. 4612.
No.
I'm not going to stop.
Closer though.
Oh
You're
gosh.
within 10.
Okay, hold on. I'm not gonna do paper yet. 6 times 700 is 4,200. 6 times 60 is 30. That's
360.
360. 342. That's 4560. That's just those two?
I mean, that's your final answer?
No, it's
Oh,
it's
okay.
4560. 4560 plus 42. 4560 plus 42. 60 is 42. Is it 4602?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. If you were at home wondering if I was doing that on purpose, I wasn't, because this stuff's not easy. But thank you. That was fun. That was part 1, and we will be back to part 2 whenever I do it, which will be a couple minutes after this. Okay. Peace.